Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam can't find my installed games and showing as uninstalled. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go to your library and then check for the game that you have defected. So for example, for me, let's say Conquer is showing install rather than download or play. All I have to do is to go to the Steam on the top left. Once you click on that, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to go to storage. Once you click on storage, you're going to see that there should be two types. So local disk C is going to be the main one that has your system input. And so from here, all you have to do is just click on add drive. And now from here, you're going to look for wherever you have downloaded your game. So if you have a Steam apps folder or anything else that you have downloaded fully, then you can just find it and then direct to it directly. And then once you select the folder, it's going to add it to its main collection. And if it recognizes any Steam apps games, then it will directly add it to as normal games and it will fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.